Hello dear friends, welcome to Kesari Textile Company. Guys, in this video I'm gonna upcoming with the newly beautifully arrived Kurtis exclusive collections. I'm only showing some of the beautiful glimpses only guys. So please watch the video from the start to till the end. Many of your concepts, if you may like, then please take the screenshot and send it to the screen available number. Let me give a quick intro about Kesari Textile Company guys. We are one of the leading manufacturer or brand in our Surat Millennium Textile Market. Previously, we are since 1977, we are manufacturing only the fabric only. But certainly some of the previous years, we manufactured complete range of women's ladies wear category. The category will be 20 to 25 different ladies wear category guys. On that category, you will be get sarees also. In sarees also some of the classifications like print, silk, cotton and some of the bridal wear or dyed embroidery collections also you will be get. And apart from that saree, you will be get lehengas, gowns, kurtis or some of the blouse pieces, hosiery, matching kind of concepts you will be getting here only. Bottom wear also, nighties also, blouse pieces, asters, foils, all the concepts you will be getting here only. So guys, in this video I am just only giving the intro only about our company, because if you are new then please do subscribe our videos, please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button to get the regular updates and notifications. So just let's start our video from of the first collections. In these kind of variety you will be get some of the beautifully occasional weird concepts in the fabric of it. Either will be the fabric in the kurti will be cotton, rayon, semilon, that kind of the fabric you will be get in particular kurti section. And you will be get in these kind of golden jaried work and with the shining of sequenced work you will be get 6 to 7 different color shades you will be get in each variety guys. So no need to worry about our stocks. If you want to particular order the XL sizes in the quantity of 30 to 40 to 50 pieces also, then also we can place your order also. And if you are, there will be the ranges that the minimum investment to contact us will be the 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. It will be the minimum investment. But many of our customers from abroad like Germany, Mauritius, Australia or some of the Malaysia, they are from customers, abroad customers. They are having their some of the investments like 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs. Because they have to sell these kind of products, sell our products on their native countries also. So guys, there will be no need to worry for the product delivery also, because we providing worldwide shipping also. In next variety, I'm gonna showing you in these kind of very beautiful concepts. You're gonna be seeing the multicolor threading work also in the particular neck. You will be see. In these kind of sleeves items, you will be get in these kind of variety. See. Like I already said that single piece will not be delivered. You have to purchase in a set wise guys. Next kind of the concepts you will be get, see. In this kind of beautiful designery work you will be get some of the Alia cut, Naira cut, tunic concepts, all the varieties you will be getting here only. But in particular video I am only showing the top or some of the kurtis only. Rather than that, in kurtis we have with bottom wear concepts also, like with legging also concepts, and apart from the 3-piece kurtis also we gonna be manufactured. Like in the 3rd piece you will be get dupattas also along with the kurti. In next item you will be getting this kind of variety. You will be get some of the broad beautifully hand embroidered work in the mirror concepts you will be get in the neck. See. In these kind of very beautifully shining sequenced work, if the camera gonna be zoomed, then you gonna be see the beautifully designery work also in some of the beautiful concepts. See, rather than that, you will be getting these kind of beautiful threading tassels also in along with that. Next variety, whatever the concepts you will be like already I said, please take the screenshot and send it to the screen available number. Next variety, fully threaded and sequenced work you will be get in these kind of variety. Say any of the color you may not like, then please we have 6 to 7 different color shades also. And let me give you some of these kind of concepts. See, this will be the barcode system we're going to be provided. In these kind of barcode systems, what will be the range will be the same. Either you will be the retailer or either you will be the wholesaler or either you want to start your new businesses. Or for all those, the rate will be the same what will be the mentioned in the barcode. Apart from that, what will be the ranges, how many pieces you will be get, all the particular ranges or information, whatever the information you need, these will be, you will be get in the barcode also. Next variety you will be get in these kind of simple and sober concepts you may like. Then these kind of beautifully pearls designed work and threading work also you will be get. See, all the sizes you will be get, and many of our customers are commented that what will be about some of the large sizes like triple XL, 4XL, that kind of the sizes. You have to order first, sir, for the largest sizes. Like you may have or you may want the quantity in the largest 4XL sizes like 40 pieces or 50 pieces or 100 pieces or 200 pieces. We're going to be manufactured for you. No need to worry, guys. In next item you will be getting this kind of variety. See, fully beautifully designed stick work you will be get at these kind of occasional work concept. See, next variety, in this kind of variety you will be get. See, particular we are having the stitched tag of Kesaria Textile Company because we own manufacture in these kind of beautiful kurtis collection. So no need to worry about the product quality. See, so guys, in this video, last but not the least, these kind of one of the beautiful concepts I'm going to showcasing you, that fully sequenced work, and these kind of the concepts will are highly appreciated in our some of the college girls or students. They will be liking those kind of concepts. So you may taste like you may have these kind of varieties in our companies also. So no need to worry, guys. I'm only showed some of the glimpses only, guys. You have to see many more concepts because whatever the ladies wear items you will be get at one under roof, which you name it, Kesaria Textile Company, guys. Apart from that, please give your precious reviews, opinions or feedbacks in our comment sections. If you have any query, then also know and call the screen available number. In this video, that's all. See you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
आपका जो सिल्क का सेक्शन टू गुड
सिल्क ना, थैंक यू।
सिल्क एंड कॉटन, प्योर कॉटन, बहुत बढ़िया सर। देवांग
अच्छा,
सेक्शन यहाँ पे मुझे 2-3 चीजें ऐसी दिखी ना जो मुझे बहुत बढ़िया लगा।
बस आप ऐसे ही सपोर्ट देते रहिएगा, आते रहिए।
आप अपना खुद का बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं या फिर ऑलरेडी बिजनेस है? ऑलरेडी है। तो यहाँ से आप परचेसिंग कर रहे हो, तो आपको प्राइसिंग यहाँ की कैसी लग रही है?
बढ़िया लग रही है।
और क्वालिटी की बात की जाए तो
एक नंबर है।
एक नंबर है। आप यहाँ पे पहली बार विजिट कर रहे हैं?
मैं छठवीं बार आया।
वो छठवीं बार हमारे पास ये कस्टमर आए हैं।
ऐसा कंपनी तो बहुत है इधर, यहाँ आके तो एकदम बिल्कुल जो सोचा उससे अच्छा हुआ।
ओके,
रियली
यहाँ के प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छे हैं, प्रोडक्ट क्वालिटी के हैं और यहाँ ऐसी बात नहीं है कि इस एक को अलग प्राइस बताए और एक को अलग बताए। हम यहाँ 2-3 बार आए हैं, हम बार बार आते हैं, यहाँ से प्रोडक्ट ले जाते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ की प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी अच्छी है और यहाँ की सर्विस बहुत अच्छी मिलेगी आपको। क्वालिटी, कलेक्शन, ट्रेंड के हिसाब से सारे कपड़े यहाँ पर है। आप जो मूवीज में देख रहे हो वो आपको पहले यहाँ पर मिलेगा। मैं खुद मूवी लाइन में हूँ तो मुझे पता है कि अगर करीना वो लहंगा पहन रही है जो कि नेक्स्ट ईयर पिक्चर आने वाली है, वो मेरे को यहाँ पर मिल गया पहले ही।
जी बहुत अच्छे मैम, बहुत
तो
अच्छे।
बहुत ही अच्छा है। प्लीज प्लीज इसको विजिट करिए आप।
नहीं सर, जो वीडियो में दिखता है वो वाकई यहाँ भी है,
अच्छा,
कहीं उससे ज्यादा है।
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।